a gas found in the atmosphere in trace amounts. Chemically, a molecule of ozone, represented as O3, is formed by 3 atoms of oxygen. While oxygen, also represented as O2, is essential for all aerobic forms of life, ozone has both useful and deleterious effects. In the lower atmosphere of Earth, ozone is a deadly poison and seriously affects crop production, forest growth, and human health. However, at the higher level of the atmosphere, that is, in the stratosphere, ozone performs an essential function. The ozone layer in the stratosphere shields the surface of the Earth from the harmful ultraviolet UV radiations emitted from the sun by absorbing them. These radiations are highly damaging to all life forms. Long-term exposure to these radiations can cause skin cancer and eye damage in human beings. In the stratosphere, the high-energy ultraviolet radiations split apart some of the molecular oxygen into free oxygen atoms. These oxygen atoms then combine with the molecular oxygen to form ozone. Depletion of ozone layer, Part 2. But what causes the depletion of this ozone? There are various human-produced ozone-depleting compounds, generally described as halocarbons. Of these, we use chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerators and air conditioners. When this chlorofluorocarbon reaches the stratosphere, it is broken down by the ultraviolet radiations from the sun. The carbon-chlorine bond breaks, and this releases one chlorine atom from the chlorofluorocarbon molecule. The chlorine and bromine atoms released from these compounds are responsible for the breakdown of the stratospheric ozone. But how? The free chlorine atom attaches to an oxygen atom from ozone, thus forming chlorine monoxide. This leads to the breakdown of ozone molecule. The radiations also bring about the breakdown of these chlorine monoxide molecules. The nascent oxygen atoms obtained by the splitting of ozone may bond with the oxygen atoms from chlorine monoxide to form molecular oxygen. The ozone destruction is a catalytic process, meaning that the same chlorine atom keeps destroying other ozone molecules until it is removed from the stratosphere by other reactions. This way, the concentration of ozone goes down in stratosphere in the atmosphere. This depletion of ozone layer results in the formation of ozone hole, which is a serious environmental issue of the present times. Due to the continuous depletion of stratospheric ozone, the reach of harmful ultraviolet radiations on Earth has increased, thereby making human population more susceptible to skin cancer and eye damage.